Bora, vamos subir. Às 13h20, sai daqui, está bem? Tens que aguentar até ao Prologue. Tem que bradar, tudo bem que bradar. Está muito vazio. Tá. Tem que ter ar aí.
It's kind of impossible not to be anxious and nervous. This was my first motorcycle race ever, and we had already heard about some falls in the prologue. So, you just can't help but to start second-guessing yourself.
Eu estou todo borrado com o pneu vazio e tudo, vou cair já aqui. Quem não tiver vai normal.
But on the other hand, you know you're living unforgettable moments. We were the last class to hit the prologue, which meant that the track would be completely torn apart from all the bikes, cars, and SSVs that had gone through it. Having pretty much a flat tire wasn't helping out with my stress levels. Somehow, I still had to pump some air into it before I entered the track. And it all adds up, and your heart starts feeding in your own adrenaline. I sort of had a plan, just wasn't sure if it was a good one, nor if it would work, nor if I had enough time. Luckily, it all worked out in the end. So, there I was, a stopwatch in front of me. No turning back now. How the hell did I get myself into this? Oh well, here we go.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night.
Como é que é?
Tudo bem?
Oh, deve ter sido para 50 segundos mais rápido que eu, 55. Ah, pois não, eu não te vi, eu ia atrás, não.
Já preso.
É?
30, agora não.
Por isso mesmo, e tu apanhaste.
Comprei para aqui.
Guys, look at this, so much adrenaline. My throat got so dry just like after the third corner. It was just like endless, and it was like, I don't know, too many ruts. It was really in bad condition, but you just had to survive it. I took no risks. I really wanted to get to the end, because tomorrow is a big game. And now I'm sure I'm going to be doing it.
Primeira vez, objetivo cumprido, cheguei ao fim, que era aquilo que queria, que mais queria, era chegar ao fim sem cair, sem problemas. Assim foi. Amanhã é outro dia, amanhã é para desfrutar, são mais quilómetros, é mais aquilo que nós todos gostamos. E pronto, está vencido.
Foi bom, estava um bocado, era cheio de pedra. E muito rego, muito rego. Muito, foi bom, foi um espetáculo.
A moto, como é que ficou?
Epá, a moto estava um bocadinho pesado para aquele tipo de terreno, né? Mas de resto está tudo a bombar. Tudo muito bom, muito bom. Tá, obrigado.
Foi sobreviver. Pois, pois é que eu fui pianinho. Well guys, still super adrenalized from that prologue. The track was in really bad shape, making it very challenging for people on two wheels. Right now my bike is already locked away for tomorrow. Everything went well, thank God. I just gassed up, parked it away. It's time to get dressed and go back home and get some rest. Some of these guys are still taking care of some stresses with their bikes, you know, issues, electrical issues and other stuff that they have to sort out before the race tomorrow. But they do have a limited time to put the bike in the park. I've already taken mine away, so I'm pretty relaxed right now. But the game really begins tomorrow, so it's time to get some rest, and I'll catch you guys then.